Welcome to the Dominican Republic. Today we are off to the waterfalls.
How many of them are there?
There's 27.
27 waterfalls. That's a lot.
That's a lot of waterfalls.
Let's go.
Let's go. So we've teamed up with the crew from Oceananigans. We rented motorcycles and we are off on an adventure.
What did we rent?
Motoconchos.
Motoconchos.
Vroom vroom.
We survived the motorcycle ride here. Now it's time to get some wet on.
And we are going for all 27. Should I start screaming crocodile?
Take out your hangers to the left side. You open the life jacket. You want to walk about 15 minutes.
And so the hiking begins. After climbing to the top, it was time to jump, slide, and swim our way all the way to the bottom.
That stabilizers on everything. You're shaking a lot. Oh yeah? Is it warm? Oh yeah, it is warm. I got it. Trying to show off.
Did we survive?
Yes, I think we did.
It took us about 4 hours to get all the way up and down the mountains, and then it was time for our 1-hour motorcycle ride back to Luperon. Alright, this morning we are off to Punta Rusia.
We were just going to take a short ride over to get some pizza at a local beach. Wound up with a flat tire on the Moto Concho. Got a ride to a nearby village, bought another tire, came back. Bike's being repaired now. We're having some cervezas, some pizza. Head back soon.
Alright, so today was another motorcycle day. We headed out and just like that. Until it wasn't like that. Just like that till the bolt fell out of the clutch.
Yeah, we were probably 20 kilometers away.
Boop.
And so we're about 20 kilometers away and the bolt fell out of the clutch. So we had to stop on the side of the highway, walk around until we found a bolt wire or something. So we eventually found a bolt, got that working. Then we got about 40 kilometers away and had a flat tire. And
Oops.
So shame on us for not knowing better Spanish.
We're learning Spanish rapidly.
Got a ride back, got it all put back together, and now we're finished with lunch and we're at the beach.
It's beautiful here. It's hot and sunny today. We're not riding through the rain like we were yesterday. It's not that far really from Luperon to find beautiful beaches. Take a look. There's reefs all just offshore.
This is the beautiful she was talking about.
Uh-huh. And there's reefs too. You can just go out and snorkel if you had thought to bring your snorkel gear. And then you turn this way and you have mountains. It's really freaking amazing here. All right, we got the new tube in the tire, barely made it out of town, and it's flat again. We're 8 kilometers from the store to buy a new tube, and we don't have the tools to put the tube in because we didn't bring tools with us. Lessons learned. Oh, did I mention we're out of pesos? Yeah, and it's Saturday. This was a much more expensive day than we expected. It wasn't expensive. It was very reasonably priced. No, you know, but we just didn't bring enough pesos to repair the bike twice. We'll see what happens. Motorcycle adventure numero 3. We are off to a local beach, if we can find it. I don't know why the locals look at me like I'm crazy. Luperon! Luperon! So we've never taken Molly on a motorcycle before. That was her first trip. She was pretty freaking awesome. She never even flinched, except when there was a cow and she was just excited. Welcome to Cambriasso.
I like that game.
How'd Molly do today on the motorcycle?
Molly did awesome. She's a super, we didn't know it, but we have a super motocross dog. She loves the Moto Concho.
Alright, so we have thoroughly enjoyed our 2 weeks here in Luperon.
Except for the last few days where we've had a cold and been stuck on the boat.
Yeah, we have something nasty, but it moves quickly apparently.
If you do not know how to ride a motorcycle, preferably a dirt bike, get some time on it, get some experience before you come south, because it's the best way to get around. It's the cheapest and the best way to see the countryside here.
Or just ride on the back with somebody else. So as much as we love it here in Luperon, we've been here about 2 weeks and it's time to carry on east. It looks like we have a weather window. As long as we're not feeling completely awful tomorrow, I think we're heading out to Samana or Boca Raton, depending on the weather window.
Fingers crossed.
See what happens. We never know, do we?
Don't forget to subscribe to see where we end up next week. And if you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up or comments.